Hello guys. So if you're facing an issue where you cannot see the collaboration option in Instagram, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get that particular option. So all you have to do is just simply go to Instagram, then open Instagram, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy, then scroll down and click on account privacy. And over here make sure that your account is not private, because if it is private you will not be able to add any images or get the collaboration option while uploading your post. So make sure this is disabled, and after that when you go back to the collaboration option, meaning when you try to upload something on your Instagram, so you will see the option when you will be uploading a post. After you're done editing the post, again click on the arrow top right. So while uploading the post you will find the option to tag people, so click on tag people. So over there you will again find the option for invite collaborator. So that's how you fix the issue of not showing collaborator option in Instagram. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.